Hey guys, welcome back to SingView, and this is Pamra. Today I'm going to give you a hands-on review with these beautiful headphones called Bluedio T4s. These are Bluetooth headsets with active noise cancellation. Now I bought these for $27 from AliExpress under promotion, and nowadays you can get these for around $40 easily. Now the major selling point of these are the battery backup. You get around 16 hours of playback time and more than 600 hours of standby time. These have massive batteries inside them and the backup is really good. So let's get on with it. You can see that the build is really good and quite sturdy. This is the turbine branding you get over the headband. Now these are having notches with the numbering over these, so you can get an idea how much of these have been extended outside. And this is a CD-like pattern over the ear cup, and you can see how sturdy and flexible these are. This is a cushion forming you get over your head. Now this is a metal build. This is a turbine branding on these half rings. These are the noise cancelling microphones. And over the right side you get this USB Type-C port. These are the volume rockers. This is the power and the function key, and this is the active noise cancellation button. As soon as you turn it on, the LED will light up. And these cushions are really good on your ear. These almost feel like leather to me. The buttons are tactile, all these buttons, and if you keep the power button pressed, you will see the LED blinking. This means that it is in the connection mode. It will search for the Bluetooth devices, and as soon as it finds a Bluetooth device, it will connect it. I haven't faced any connection losses, and this is what you get inside the package. The manual, I would recommend you reading these. This is the cable, the charging cable, USB Type-C, and this one is the USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. And let's just put it inside this velvet pouch that we get. Personally, I think that the pouch is a little smaller. It could be a bigger one. So that's it guys, that's what you get, and thanks for watching the video. If you like it, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.